Yeah, I know. We're at the pet store right now.
Yeah.
Go.
Go put this on YouTube.
Look how awesome this bird is.
Take your own video because I won't let me. Here,
Relax. There's 14 dead in the creek. There's 14 dead in the creek. There's 14 dead in the creek. I'm trying to teach him.
Hello.
Hello. He won't do it. Hey, buddy. Dude, look at this huge bird. I like that one. I call dibs on all of these birds. I'm just saying that right now.
Hello.
Yes, I did it.
Hello.
Looks like one of my old birds.
Whoa.
Kind of looks like Oscar.
Dude, try to teach this one. Hello. Hello.
He only knows how to purr.
Hello. Let's go look at some.
Hold on.
Oh. Hello.
I like these birds right here.
Hello. 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 Hello.
These birds are adorable.
Hello. Hello.
And I want them all. If I don't, I'll cry.
Oh my God.
Like these right here.
You would.
Oh, come on.
He's like, I got toilet experience.
Don't be such a sourpuss. Dude, I want one of these birds. Really badly. I'd murder for one of these birds. Yeah, I'd murder for anything.
Okay. Hello.
Geese! Trying to screw up my keys.
Who's that? Get off my keys.
I'm focused mainly on this bird, mainly because I've never seen the gray-colored macaw. Hey, bud.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. I understand. Yeah. The codes are underneath the mountain, underneath Fort 90. 14 in the creek. 14 in the creek. I love when he does that. It's so cute.
Dude.
You won't let me do it. No, I don't. Your mom would be very pissed if you did that. Hello, Bob. Oh, calm down. Don't fight with your friend.
Dude, I just put my finger in there. He was like, burn, burn, burn.
Dude, I think I'm actually considered insane for birds.
Oh, dude, it's trying to bite me. Dude, they're fighting.
They were talking.
No, they're fighting, dude. That's all I'm like, dude, look.
Green cheek Kanye.
Dude, look at it.
Yeah, I know. They're fighting.
That's what I just said. They're talking.
Yeah, they're arguing. Arguing is just a heating discussion. That's good, isn't it?
Yes.
It's okay, bud. It's okay. I'm gonna call him Paco.
You don't have to say sorry.
This bird's new name will be Paco. Unless I find something better.
Paco. Don't put this on YouTube.
Mm. I love teaching you things.
Woo!
Woo, woo, woo. Okay, I'm gonna teach him how to say something awesome. Help! They turned me into a parrot. Help! Help! They turned me into a parrot. They turned me into a parrot. They turned me into a parrot. They turned me into a parrot.
Dude, I'm not from the guy. It's cripple. It's cripple.
Oh yeah, cripple.
And he started saying cripple. And then
He's cheating on you.
And then cripple. And then he was like, oh.